Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I have a Scrapdiva Designs design team project share for you, and I have used several dies. I'm going to put the affiliate links in the description box below. For those of you who use my affiliate links, I really appreciate it. It helps my channel. And don't forget to use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let's go ahead and look at the dies. The first one is this one, and it comes with several pieces. It makes a pocket, and the die is called the Mini Bottle Pocket Tag. And I love that this makes a pocket that you can put goodies in. It's really sweet. I put candy in my pocket, but you could actually put a gift card or something like that. I think it's a nice idea. Next up is the large elf bow. Also, I used the medium elf bow. I also used this piece right here from the branch and ornament wreath set. And then I went and checked, and this is still available. This is from last year. It's called the Peppermint Sentiments, and it comes with several words. You get winter sweet, holiday kisses, wishes. I use this one right here, which says holiday cheer, peppermint, everything, and Christmas. So those are the dies that I used. Before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you please consider subscribing? I'd love to have you come back. And for all of my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let's go ahead and look at the project. So I took these out so you could really see them well, but they go inside this bag. I altered this bag, and I know I mentioned to you before that I am putting together an elf Happy Mail project. And if you would like to see the whole reveal before I send it off, just let me know in the comments and I will do that. So this bag comes from the grocery store. It's something I get ice cream in, and it is 6 by 12, and I cut 2 inches off. And let me turn it this way. There you see the large elf bow on the top of the clothespin. And the holiday cheer is from the Peppermint Sentiments. And there, behind there, you see the floral from the branch and ornament wreath set behind the Spellbinders poinsettias. And I know I've mentioned before that this is a digital paper doll type of thing. So that's why you're seeing so many elves, because I'm getting ready to send this off pretty soon. So here is the mini bottle. Let me get the right. It's called the Mini Bottle Pocket Tag. Yeah, that's it. So see how cute that is? And I put candy in my pocket. But like I said before, you could actually put a gift card in there too. So this is on top of some Bath & Body Works products. And you can see I used that floral leaf from the branch and ornament wreath set. And I just cut down my elves to look good on there. And here is another Bath & Body. And by the way, these are the travel set. And it fits right on top of there. This is the medium elf bow to go along with my elf. And the floral again. And I have Kit Kats in there. This makes a really nice gift. And these two pieces of Bath & Body Works products fit perfect in this bag. So it makes a beautiful presentation for your gift. So let me invite you to stay because after this video, I will show you my Christmas tree that I have promised to share with you. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye. Here is my tag tree. This is one tree that I added to my collection this year, so I don't have a top on it yet. And I don't have a tree skirt yet because I added this to my decorations. There's the gingerbread garland. We'll go around the side. There's a lot of tags in here. Let's see if I could turn this one around. Here we go. There's that one. There's a little bear. This is one I made this year. There's a gingerbread. And the gingerbread garland. This is a Scrapdiva design die right here. I think you remember that from last year. This is also another Scrapdiva design one. There's the nutcracker garland. I have a tutorial for that. This is Scrapdiva design gingerbread. I love this tree. There's Mr. I know Mrs. is in here. Let me see, where is Mr. and Mrs.? Oh, here we go. There they are. Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus. Let's see if we can get in here. Some of these are hiding. There we go. There is Mr. Nutcracker cake. And that is my Christmas tree. This is just in my family room here where we watch television. Hope you enjoyed that and it inspires you to make a tree with tags and garland in it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.